social cam, Facebook and YouTube. It's me, Rhonda. And I have to give the biggest birthday shout out to my little brother, Saran. Saran, I love you. I know you probably think I forgot, but of course you know I didn't. I love birthdays too much to forget. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I just thought that this was better since you like attention. I just thought this was better than, writing out a long status, even though I'm going to do a status anyway, and I'm going to do a picture collage for you on my Instagram. But I just wanted to sing to you happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Saran. Happy birthday to you. I love you. Ah, it's your birthday. Bye.